If humans cease to exist for next 1,000 years, in the next 100 years, cities are overtaken by nature. Plants grow over buildings, animals roam freely in urban areas, and the earth begins to erase the traces of human civilization. In the next 200 years, domesticated animals face extinction or adapt to the wild, while wildlife flourishes in habitats once dominated by humans. In the next 300 years, roads, bridges, and skyscrapers crumble, succumbing to weathering and nature's relentless advance. In the next 400 years, forests reclaim farmland, oceans stabilize, and carbon levels drop to pre-industrial levels as the earth heals itself. In the next 500 years, large animals like elephants and bison reclaim dominance, thriving in ecosystems restored to their former glory. In the next 600 years, ecosystems flourish as biodiversity peaks. Forests, rivers, and grasslands return to their natural state. In the next 700 years, remnants of human civilization are almost completely buried. Nature has taken over, leaving only faint traces of the past. In the next 800 years, Earth's climate reaches a new equilibrium. Glaciers return, deserts shrink, and natural cycles take control. In the next 900 years, evolution accelerates, creating new species adapted to a human-free world. The planet teems with life forms never seen before. In the next 1,000 years, Earth becomes a pristine world, unrecognizable from the human era. A thriving ecosystem proves the planet's resilience and adaptability.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel, kuzotv.